Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to get a free API key to all the best AI models which are there in the internet. This website I've given in the description of this video. It's you.bot. If you go to the browser, and you can even go to the description link. If you land on this page, the interface looks something like this. You can save up to 80% on the world best video generation, image generation, music generation, LLM models in one API. So it has all the latest models: Grok, Claude, Opus, Claude, Fable, Gemini, View, GPT, everything. It also gives you credits whenever you sign up. You can get your free API key. So now to get started, click on get your free API key. And there is an option right here. You can continue with your Google account. And they also give you 50 credits whenever you sign up. So you can sign up with multiple accounts to get this to work unlimited. So the sign up is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account. So now, as you can see right here, once you sign up, you get these 50 credits automatically inside your account. So once you go to the account right here, you can see that 50 credits are successfully credited. And now to get the API key, it's very simple. You go to the sidebar section, click on API keys, and automatically the API key is created for you. But you can click this button, create API key. So just give it a name right here and click on create key. So just copy this key to clipboard, and now this API key is successfully copied to clipboard. So you can check out the models right here from this section. So all the models are there from Alibaba, Anthropic, Google, Gemini, Grok, Qwen. So you can specifically click on a model. Let's suppose I want to integrate the Claude Opus model. So I simply click on this model, and it also have the playground section as well. So from here you simply select the model Claude Opus 5 and simply send out a message in the playground section. So once you send out a message, it will respond to you. There is also this examples which are also given to you. This is API section. So once you click the API section, it will give you the step-by-step instructions to integrate this. So if you do want to integrate through shell commands, you can do that. JavaScript, we also have the Java example as well. So if you do want to look at the documentation, you click on this, go to the documentation. So it will exactly tell you this, view the base URL if you do want to integrate this. So quick start, it's very simple. For each and every, you can see that. So and this is all the documentation which is given right here, as you can see. For each model, the example request is given to you, how to call this. This is API thing right here, as you can see. So you can see that we created the API key. So let me just call this very easily. So now to call this, you can actually install a model extension in VS Code. The extension name is Cline. So this extension makes it easy for you to actually call the APIs directly inside VS Code. Simply install this extension. I've already installed it. It's got almost 5 million installs. So now to call this API right here, just activate the Cline VS Code extension once it gets installed. Just go to the settings option right here, and from the API provider, simply select here Open AI Compatible. From API provider, simply paste the base URL, which is this base URL as you can see, and then the API key that you got. So simply copy this API key and just paste it. And the model ID you can get actually by going to specific models. So if you want to try the Claude Opus model, this will be the model ID. So simply copy this model ID and paste it. So that's all that you need to do. Simply paste the model ID, API key, the base URL, and then from here OpenAI compatible. Click on done. And after that, you simply send a request to the API, and then the API will respond to you. So this is a standard way by which you can call this API. It gives you 50 credits once you sign up. So the credits are 50, which is more than enough. As you see, we actually make a call. It will tell you all the calls that we made. If you do want to top up, you can top up by paying with a credit card if your credits are over. But I will highly recommend simply sign up with multiple accounts to get 50 credits every time to get this free and unlimited. So as you can see there, we have got a error right here. Let me see the error message. Let me just try this with a different. So you can see we are calling Gemini 3.6 Flash model. So as I simply send the request to hi, it responded to me. So right here, I can simply send a request top 10 frameworks in Node.js in 2026. So every time we send a request, you can try each and every model in the playground section. It will respond to you. So for each request, as you can see, it consumes some credits. So now 48.35 credits are remaining. So this is a really good website by which you can call any kind of AI model. So it responded with it, and same you can do this. Let me just paste the Gemini 3.6 Flash model. Click on done. So if you're looking forward for a free website to provide API keys, definitely check this website out, you.bot. It has all the AI models, and you can directly integrate with VS Code extension Cline to actually directly call the API. I've shown you the instructions. It's quite simple. Step by step, just follow all the instructions and you will be able to integrate the API. The API key is quite simple. So definitely check this out.